Hello my friends, how are you? I hope you're not best. Welcome to my channel and this is my content, my topic today about which I define my topic discuss about what is thermal design power and complete define about it. But first of all, if you're new my channel, so also please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so I start my topic about thermal design power. The thermal design power TDP, sometimes called thermal design point, is the maximum amount of heat generated by a computer chip or component, often a CPU, GPU or a system on a chip, and the cooling system is a computer designed to dissipate under any workload. Some sources state that the peak power rating for microprocessors usually 1.5 times. 1.5 times the TDP rating. Intel introduced a new metric called scenario design power (STP) for some Levy branch of series processors calculation CPU power dissipation. The average CPU power ACP is the power consumption of central processing units, especially server processors under every daily usage. They are defined by advanced micro devices AMD for use in its line for processors based on the K10 microarchitecture operation 8300 and 2300 series processor. Until thermal design power TDP used for Pentium and Core 2 processor measures the energy consumption under high workload. It is numerically somewhat higher than the average ACP rating of the same processor. According to AMD, the ACP rating includes the power consumption when running several benchmarks including TPC/C and SPEC CPU 2006 and SPEC JBP 2005 and Supreme benchmark memory bandwidth, which AMD said is an appropriate method of power consumption measurement of data center and server intensive workload environments. AMD said that the ACP and TDP values of the processors will both be stated and do not replace one another. Barcelona and related server processors have the two power figures. The TDP and CPU have been estimated in some cases, leading to certain real applications typically strenuous such as video encoding or games, causing the CPU to exceed its specified TDP and resulting in overloading the computer cooling system. In this case, CPUs either cause a system fail or turn trip to throttle their speed down. Most modern processors will cause a theme trip only open a catastrophic cooling failure such as no longer operational fan and incorrectly mounted heat sink. For example, a laptop's CPU cooling system may be designed for a 20W TDP, which means that it can dissipate up to 20 watts of heat without exceeding the maximum injection temperature for the laptop CPU. A cooling system can do this using an active cooling method, for example conduction coupled with forced convection such as a heatsink with a fan. Only a two passive cooling method, thermal radiation or conduction. Typically, a combination of these methods use since safety margins and the definition of what constitutes a real application vary among manufacturers. 2DP values being different manufacturers cannot be accurately compared. A processor with the TDP for example 100W will almost certainly use more power at full load than processors than a fraction of said TDP, and very probably more than processor with lower TDP from the same manufacturer, but it may or may not use more power than a processor from a different manufacturer with a not excessively lower TDP such as 90W, 90W. Additionally, TDPs are often specified for families of processors. So friends, how is my topic today about thermal design power? If you like this my topic, so also please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, because when you do press the bell icon, then you see my all contents in this your YouTube page, and then you also see my all contents in this your YouTube page. So now you give me permission, I am go to new topics. Take care. Allah Hafiz.